Sugarland Tower, Cutlass 5338 Victor is 10 miles to the south-southwest, and we're going to come in for a low pass disabled.
It's 533 Victor, Sugarland Tower, runway 35, clear to lower approach, wind 040 at 12, altimeter 3002.
Clear low approach, and we're looking for the right gear here. Looks like we got it partially down.
Has the configuration changed since your last arrival?
Yeah, we tried to pump it down and tried to get it back up and down, and still get an indication. It just appears visually that the right one's not fully down.
Cutlass 3 Victor, what are your intentions on in the event that it's not fully extended?
Either come back for landing, we might try and call the owner, see if they want us to land somewhere else.
Cutlass 3 Victor, personnel on board and fuel remaining in time.
Thank you very much. We're going to try low pass, see what it looks like to you, and then the second time around, we're going to try and touch down very softly, not fully commit to landing, see if we can get it to come down a little bit.
Cutlass 3 Victor, roger, and again, the personnel on board, number of personnel on board, and fuel remaining in time.
2 personnel, and then we got about 2 hours on board for 3 Victor.
Sure. And Charlie 3 Victor does not appear to be fully locked.
3 Victor, thanks.
Well, it does look like there is not fully down.
Charlie 3 Victor, Cutlass 3 Victor, that was from operations. Yeah, they're also observing the activity. Just advise your intentions.
I think we're going to try and land here. If you got somebody coming in, we can make room for them.
Cutlass 3 Victor, roger. You can make left close traffic on runway 35. I do have an aircraft inbound at present. TBM, he's rolling about a 1-2 mile final.
Roger, left close traffic.
Have a TBM on about a 1-2 mile final. Cutlass 3 Victor, I'm going to let you know the plan, and then you'll be coming in behind the TBM.
Behind the TBM, 3 Victor.
Charlie 9 Echo, I want you to proceed inbound for a left base entry runway 17, but it's going to have to be a full stop. We have a precautionary landing in progress.
Okay, understand it will be a full stop, and that's fine. And again, verify runway.
Runway 35, we're on 35, so I'm saying 17.
Okay, runway 35 for 29 Echo.
29 Echo, roger, and again, to proceed inbound for a left base entry runway 35.
Left base entry for runway 35, 29 Echo.
Cutlass 3 Victor, what you, the TBM is now about a 9 mile final. You wouldn't just extend it until you get the TBM in sight?
I'll extend until we get the TBM in sight. You said 9 mile final?
9 mile final.
3 Victor, looking.
Just come aboard the power plant.
Looking.
Hey, Scott 29 Echo, proceed direct runway 35.
Direct runway 35, 29 Echo.
Scott 29 Echo, best speed.
And we got it at 120 right now.
To that. TBM, Christian, Cutlass 3 Victor, you can make your left turn for the final.
Left turn final, 3 Victor.
29 Echo, proceed direct to numbers runway 35, clear to land.
Direct to the numbers 35, clear to land, 29 Echo.
Before she got.
Well, we just wanted to communicate. We do not have arms. We have just regular firefighters, and we would like to get 3 RGs at the airport for a soft landing.
And Cutlass 3 Victor, you copy that?
Hey, firm, we're from Pearland, and we'd rather have a towered airport.
Before you copy that?
Before contact.
Tower 418 Alpha, this does not look like it'll work.
TBM in 418 Alpha, copy, sir. And Skyhawk 29 Echo, go around. Go around, cancel your landing clearance.
Going around, 29 Echo.
418 Alpha, runway 35, again, clear to land.
Clear to land, 418 Alpha.
And Skyhawk 29 Echo, just extend that upwind additional mile, then make a right close traffic.
Upwind additional mile and then right close traffic, 29 Echo.
Yeah, pray everything works out all right. And Cutlass 3 Victor, runway 35, again, clear to land.
Clear to land. The plan for 38 Victor is we're going to kind of do as low pass as we can, try and get that wheel on the ground, see if it'll bear any weight, and we might be going around on this one.
All right, Cutlass 3 Victor, roger, cleared option, runway 35.
Cleared option, 38 Victor.
Zero Golf Hotel, fix exchange privacy on the way back.
Fix exchange privacy, see you later. Best of luck to the Cutlass.
Before I have the TBM on the rollout, the Cutlass will be the next to land. He's probably heard his intentions.
Aircraft next to land, about 54 counts, trying to,
2-4, right. That's all would happen.
Back up.
Yeah. It's still dangling. It's not in place. The 3 Victor, it is not in place.
Thank you.
Looks like you're retracting the gear at this time.
Hey, firm, we're retracting the gear.
The 3 Victor, roger. Just maintain runway heading, and I have a Cessna about a mile northeast of the airport on the left down, or it's the right downwind.
That happens inside. 38 Victor.
The 3 Victor, if you would, just follow the Cessna on the right traffic and advise your intentions when able.
I'll follow them, and we got to come down and land eventually. 38 Victor.
I would ask you if the Cutlass has done steep turns to try and extend it.
We have tried to do steep turns.
7 Sierra Juliet following Cessna right downwind, approaching base runway 35, clear to land. Everyone, just keep your approach as close as practical so we don't have to extend the Cutlass out too far.
Hey, from we'll keep it close to practical. And number 2, clear to land 3572 Juliet.
Cutlass 3 Victor, if you're comfortable with the activity, sir, have the aircraft land ahead of you, and then we'll make your pass.
Hey, firm, 38 Victor.
All right, that'll work.
You want me to do a 360?
You're fine. I'm just extending downwind. We've already advised approach, so any other inbound aircraft we have won't be a factor.
Roger, thank you.
Clear track 189. Go ahead and make that turn for the downwind.
Turn it down. Clear track 189.
And Cutlass 3 Victor, you can probably expect about a 4 to 5 mile final straight in runway 35.
45 miles straight in final, runway 35, 38 Victor.
That'll give me room to get these guys down.
Thank you, 38 Victor. 38 Victor, can we just stay in the pattern here so we stay close?
Cutlass 3 Victor, affirmative. Yes sir, that is affirmative, Cutlass 3 Victor. However, for that, if you would just climb the VFR to 1,500 feet to keep you above the inbound traffic.
1,500 to keep us above inbound traffic, 38 Victor.
Because they'll be at 1,000.
Roger.
Cutlass 3 Victor, if a miracle happens, just advise.
We'll advise.
Before I have one aircraft touching down, about to touch down, and the other one is about a half mile final. Once we get that done, we'll be bringing the Cutlass on in.
Hey, firm, we've done everything. The pump doesn't work. We have a partial gear failure. I don't know if it's a mechanical malfunction. But whenever we try and cycle the gear, the right one appears to come down, and then it gets pushed back by something. That's all we got, but do you recommend landing gear up here? I'm thinking gear up. Thank you.
3 Victor, runway 35, clear to land.
So that's for 38 Victor.
3 Victor, affirmative, runway 35, clear to land.
Clear to land, 38 Victor. And was there personnel on the ground here still listening? I'm just trying to make a decision here since we got a partial down. I mean, probably I'm thinking better to land with the gear up rather than 2 down and then 1 partially down. What do you think?
Let me look and see if I can find something for you, but that sounds good.
That's what I figure. All right. All right, 5 more minutes, but we're burning fuel here, so if they could do that quickly, that'd be great. We're going to stay in the downwind here, and then what did you say they had for us? To do what to the runway? I'm sorry. Oh, wait for him, thank you. 3 Victor. Roger.
R38 Victor, street land.
Yes, sir.
Just be advised that we do not have the resources, no ARC trucks here, just to verify that this is the facility that you want to land at.
Hey, firm, we don't have much fuel to go somewhere else.
Roger that.
And they still got the foam coming?
Before you copy that.
Take it. Do we still have the foam coming?
Foam is in route. We have 1 truck on scene. We're looking to get that second truck here.
Roger.
Obviously, for plus 3, we'll plus 2 all taxiways, and then we'll hold short until we get that land. Once we get that, we'll pre-approval for it.
2-4, Roger, proceed, answer question.
No, remember, 38 Victor, are you verified that it didn't trip a circuit breaker or anything?
Hey, firm, we verified all that. The circuit breakers are all in. We've hand pumped it, so we've done the mechanical route regardless of circuit breakers, steep turns, everything.
38 Victor, Roger.
Okay, so at touchdown, I'm pulling the gear up and putting the circuit breaker in. Roger, that's what we're going to do. Appreciate the help.
At R5338 Victor, I've got Anson over here that's going to transmit for you some other instructions that maybe you haven't, some other ideas. Stand by.
Roger.
38 Victor, I'll tell you, make sure your circuit breakers push in, and then keep turning your gear down on and off because there may be a bare wire shorting on something, and it's worked before.
We've turned the gear up and down about 100 times now. We got steep turns, circuit breakers in. We popped it in and out. We manually pumped it as well.
Okay, don't turn it up, or don't put the gear up. Just put your gear lever down, and then just make sure it just keeps going down.
So the gear lever is down.
You've got no gravity release on that?
No, we believe it's a mechanical malfunction. We've done there's no gravity, you pump it, and we've done the pumping, and I'm watching it off the right side, and it looks like it's going forward, and then it looks like it gets blocked and gets pushed back.
And have you tried a little bit of a gravity swing on that? Just put it into a little dive and then pull up suddenly?
Hey, firm, we have. We'll try it one more time since we're waiting for the truck.
Okay.
Sherland Tower, Skyhawk 0555, about 8.5 miles to the west with November inbound traffic pattern.
805 Alpha Alpha unable at this time. We have emergency in progress.
Copy, you will stay away then. Thank you.
The 3 Victor, you copy that?
Affirm.
3 Victor, at your discretion, runway 35, clear to land, 1040 at check altimeter 3001.
3001 and clear to land, 3 Victor, thanks for help, guys.
Houston Aviation, if you haven't heard, if you've been monitoring this frequency, managing the activities, if you have something in addition to that we haven't tried previously, you can input that. Otherwise, the aircraft's been to land.
Yeah, this is Anson. We've run out of ideas.
Look like we're coming in to land. Great job. Showing it. All aircraft information, November's current runway 3517 is now closed.